Hey everyone, this is Mr. Everything, and I wanted to do a video on something I've been trying, it's just an idea. And this is if you want to do water storage, just the idea I'm using. So I recently picked up an AlexaPure, so I had a little bit extra money, and I figure like with the waves of things going on in the world, the easier it's easier to get some stuff like this now compared to maybe a few months or something, then people will panic buy again. And I had some of these that I got. You can get like a drum, but I figured it'd be easier to have smaller moldable boxes. It's just more portable and convenient and easier to put away or divide it up. So this is I believe it's called emergency zone, and they're made to, like, there's an adapter and it screws into your faucet, but in this situation it'll fit perfectly on this spigot. You just push it up in and it's a friction fit and it works really well. So this is a finished box. I added tape. I don't know if some people said they did, and you get the spigot here for that. It's a 5 gallon, and then I taped that as well. And what I'm doing here with the scale is these bags hold a little bit more than 5 gallons, so I actually filled the first one a little bit, and then it was a little bit hard to fit in the box. For some reason the numbers aren't showing up here, but you can see that's on, but I guess it's just the camera not picking it up. That's how much 8 gallons of water should weigh. That was like how much the box and the bag weighed, and then so you want to get it right around there for this application. So then I think it's pretty simple stuff. Just let the water flow. Now, so it depends how high you have yours. This is just where I have it temporarily. If you could have it a little bit higher, it probably wouldn't have that slack, and it would run better because you can see you get some air in it. But it does work. I've done 4 other bags. This is my last bag for now, and it works. And it's just the easy way. Now, obviously, it would be way easier, and sometimes you gotta be careful that the bag doesn't fall in and you spill the water. You could also use another box. I did start at first by using a separate box so I didn't ruin these. Then I got too confident and did get one a little wet, but the bag itself is still impenetrable, so it's not a big deal. But it would obviously be much quicker to use the faucet, and you could do it, but then I don't know, I just wanted to purify the water first and use this, so it's nice and filtered. And I was already used a lot from my last batch, so this only does a little over 2 gallons, and you can see I'm just about out. So it does take a while. With the 2 filters, about an hour. So I'll fill that back up, get 2 more gallons, and then I'll have to do it again. So it takes a couple hours, and you can see if the numbers kind of were showing up, I can keep track of when I'm getting clean. You can tell, but when I know kind of where I'm at to get 5 gallons to not overfill the bag. And then I'll tape that up and find somewhere to put them. So that's just an idea. If you do want to store water and you want to have it purified, you could just, you still have to use the water treatment, I think. I've been still adding it, or you could just store it, and if you ever needed to use it, you could just purify it then. But this way I already have it, so if you want it for drinking water or to add to some dry food storage or something, if you don't want to do it through a hose or through a sink, you can just use the purifier. It saves you a little bit of time. It's a lot easier just to slip that on, and it just takes a little bit longer. Just find something to do in the meantime. So hopefully that was an idea if someone's doing this, or it's not too much to do this, and I think it's a decent way to do it. So hopefully you found that helpful. So thanks for watching, and see me in the next one. Have a good one.